Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to configure a DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. As you can see, we have two PCs, one laptop, and a server. First, let's connect them using straight-through cables. After connecting all the devices, let's configure the server. Click on the server and go to the Desktop tab. Open IP configuration and assign the IP address 10.0.0.1. Next, go to the Services tab and select DHCP. In the default gateway field, enter the server's IP address, 10.0.0.1. Enable the DHCP service, then click Save. Now, let's test it on the devices. Go to the first PC, click the Desktop tab, then open IP configuration. Select DHCP and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the PC received an IP address automatically. Do the same for the laptop. It also receives an IP address automatically. Now let's check the connectivity between the devices. We'll ping one PC from another, open the command prompt on one PC, and use the ping command with the other PC's IP. As you can see, the ping is successful. Finally, let's test the connection using a PDU message. The simulation shows that the message was delivered successfully. And that's it. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.